So, hey guys, it's Malia. So we're gonna be doing the Lysol slime. So first, obviously, you're gonna need glue. I got this at the 99-cent store. So at the 99-cent store, they obviously don't have any glue, like Elmer's glue, that like is on the radar that people actually like. But yeah, they only had this glue, and I bought like 5 packages of it and did a big slime. Go make sure to go check that out also. And of course we have Lysol. I don't even know why it has this on it. How are we gonna rip it off? But it has Lysol. But we have Lysol, and yeah. We also have red glitter. You can use any type of glitter. Glitter is obviously optional. So, yeah. And we also have this. I'm just kidding. No. But first you need something to mix it in. So, yeah. First we're going to be adding, so let's get into it. Okay, so we're back. First we're going to be adding the glue. It's a big mess back here from the big slime that we did with my friend. So, we're only going to use half of the bottle because I don't know if this is going to actually work. Ew, what the boy. My brother's right here watching me do it, and he just farted, like, that's nasty. Okay, now we're gonna mix. Then it's glitter, but I already poured that in. So now we're gonna mix the glitter. Okay, now we're gonna add the Lysol since we mixed all that in. We're only gonna add like 3 bags because that's the thing. Oh, what the? I did not know this was gonna work. What in the world? This is so incredible. Look at that. Look at that. Ooh, that thing is going away. I need to freaking mix this better. Ooh, so I'm adding more glue because it actually works, so. What the? Oh, my brother's being stupid. It's not the brother's right here, it's my older brother. He's being stupid. 1 second, I have to get all of this out because I really want all of it out, so I'm just going to get some water, so, yeah. Okay, so we got the water. Now we're gonna close it and mix it. Like baby. What the heck? Like baby soap or something. No, like a milk bottle or something. There we go. Unbottle it. Pour it out. There might be a little bit too much of it, but that's okay. Yeah, all there is in here is soap, so yeah. Like undo the water type thing. Okay, now we're gonna spray this. Oh yes, we got it locked down. Oh, this is so weird. Oh my gosh. Holy what? Oh, what? Holy boot. What? This is awesome. I love this slime. This is like one of my favorite slimes now. I might be making a fishbowl slime, so that might be my favorite slime. Oh my gosh, it's so freaking... It's actually freaking mixing together really well. You see that? That's just soap, you know. I accidentally had to put some whatchamacallit in because some water, but that didn't ruin it. But just saying. I'm a person in Mario. It says not to inhale it, so I'm just like, because the thing is really strong, so I'm not inhaling this at all. Whew. Oh, gay. Oh, girl. Oh my gosh, you can see like actually the slime evolving in this. Oh my gosh, the whole entire slime is freaking under the water. It looks like water slime or something. I don't know. It looks like slime. It looks so freaking cool. I love this right now. It's really sticky though. This looks like really cool. And I just want to play with it right now. This is really sticky though. It's so cool. Dang. Dang, girl. Damn, honey. I just want to Snapchat. Look at that. If it's cool. Oh yeah, and like, let me see what time it is. 2:31 in like 2 more minutes. I mean, in like 30 more minutes, I'm gonna go to my old bus stop that I went to in my old school, and I'm gonna see my old friends there too. So yeah. Oh my gosh, this is everywhere. I have to add some more. Okay. Yay, it's coming together really good. Ooh, girl. Ooh, now we're gonna mix it with our hands, because that's what we gotta do to make it beautiful. Beautiful. In like 20 more minutes, I'm about to leave. To go to my old bus stop and see my old friends. What? That looks like kind of like glue, but it's not. It's like slime. It's like weirdo slime. Oh yes. Oh yes. It's like pouring down. Ooh. Okay, now we gotta put some more. Let me see what it do to my hands. Oh, this slime. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. This turned into slime when I rubbed it on my hands. Bruh. And it sticks off too, so it don't stick on no more. Look at that. It has the sparkles in it too. I think I need to add some more sparkles too, so I think I need to add some more. Wow, that was actually really cool. I like that. See that? It's all turning into so much goodness. Some good slime. It's like some good cushion alcohol. Yeah. And some that can count. Oh. Cool. Hey, if you guys are wondering why am I out of school at this early, because like I'm waiting for my friends like 20 minutes for their bus stop to come. Well, it's because my school we have to go to school really early at like 7:20, and we get home really early at like 1 o'clock. So, you see this? This is some slime. Okay, so I'll be right back when the slime is finished and mixing, and I want it the texture is the way I want it to be. So I'll be right back in a few. Peace. So hey guys, it's finally the way I want it, and I really didn't know if Lysol was gonna do it all, so I just wrote a little bit at the beginning, but actually it's just really cool. I still need to add some more glitter, which I am going to do just right now. But this is awesome, and I recommend this for any age, and I hope you guys try it. So leave a comment down below if you guys try it, which you guys should. And yeah, I hope you have a good time trying it. Leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And bye.